Keeping your house clean and healthy, that's a job for Zerorez. Luckily, we've got Jesse, the man, in the house. I was saying, did you take a vent from Roper's house? Because he always talks about how you come over and and do it.
Oh yeah, I miss Jack. But,
yes.
Yeah, today, Megan, we're talking about, just awareness on dryer vents and duct cleaning. As always, we have great specials for the viewers of Your Carolina.
Yeah.
But it's something people don't really think about a lot is these dryer vents. If they get to looking clogged up like this, it can be a really big fire hazard for you.
We don't want that. Like, that is like my biggest fear. I'm always like, have we undone that? Because you hear about people's houses. I mean, I can't. It freaks me out.
It's definitely scary, and it's something you don't think about often,
Because you don't see it. It's not right in front of you. It's hidden. It's away.
Yep, that's right. So keep that in mind. Take advantage of our great specials that, we offer Your Carolina viewers. We're always going to have good specials for carpet, air duct, stuff like that, but just wanted to come on here as a reminder. Hey, think about that dryer vent.
Think about it. Okay, let's go ahead and hit them with the special, y'all. Take a look at your screen because this is just for Your Carolina viewers.
Right. So if you call in and say you saw us here, you're going to get the dryer vent for the $119. You can use that promo code there on the screen. But if you want those air ducts clean, it's $300 per unit. So that's about a $75 saving, and just by saying you saw us here. So
I love that. Thank you so much, Jesse. First of all, for doing that. And a lot of times, we hear Zerorez, it's the Zerorez difference, and we're thinking about when you're coming and cleaning the couches and the rugs and all the drapes and stuff. What makes Zerorez different?
Really, it's the people is what I always say is the difference, because we have really good technicians that are vetted, they're quality trained, they're going to treat you with respect inside of your house and stuff. So you can take a surety in that. And also the process that we use, it's state of the art. Nobody else has able to use the equipment and the types of products we're able to use. All that stuff's patented, so you really are going to be able to see the difference.
Would it be a good time, like when you're already getting maybe your rugs clean, they'll be like, go ahead, why don't you just do the ducts? You're out here anyway. Yeah,
absolutely. Just go ahead and talk to the technicians, and a lot of times they'll have coupons and stuff with them as well. If you book your carpet cleaning, we'll give you a coupon for air duct cleaning or dryer vents as well. But I think the best deal you can get is just calling in and saying you saw us here on Your Carolina.
Yes.
And we'll definitely hook you up.
Yes, and y'all, they really do it. We had a viewer a couple times ago that emailed us and was like, oh shoot, I missed what he said, but I know I want to call him. I was like, here's Jesse's, just tell him you saw him. And they wrote us back. It was like, you're right, it was so easy. Like, people, think scams is everything these days. Not with these people, they have the good stuff. How long does it take if someone's wanting to do, I know it depends on, sizing and stuff, but they want to do a room. About how long do you expect?
A typical service for like a 3-room special or even upholstery, it's going to be about 1 hour, hour and a half, sometimes 2 hours, just depending on the size. But it really doesn't take all that long. These guys move pretty efficient in the home, and they're going to make sure they're putting up all the corner guards and wearing the shoe covers, make sure they're taking care of everything. But it doesn't take all that long. Okay,
and if you are going to do, the vents, this is great because it's not something that he's like, y'all need to get this done every month. But how often would you recommend someone doing it?
I would definitely recommend having a dryer vent cleaned about every 3 to 5 years, because over time it's just going to build up and get that debris in there, and you just want to make sure that your dryer one is working good. But the biggest thing is make sure you don't have that fire hazard.
Yes.
As far as the air ducts, we recommend about 5 to 7 years, depending on who all you have in the house.
Right. I mean, y'all, what do you say? It's like the lungs of your house. So it's what you're breathing in. We want to keep it clean. Again, call today to get that special Zerorez. Greenville.com is where you can find them online. Jack uses them all the time. Loves you guys. He said to tell you hello. So
glad to hear from you.
Yes, absolutely. Well, thank you, Jesse. Have a great day.